It doesn't matter if it's buying a reusable straw or buying thrifted clothing or whatever you're doing, every little thing makes a difference. Even though it's just me and it's a small business, I feel like I'm still helping a lot of people, and I feel like I'm also contributing to the greater good of our planet. My name's Piercy, and I'm the creator of Florence's collection. There's such a huge community of people who love buying vintage and buying things that had a previous life and have a story. Yes, there's trends, and yes, there's things that people are really searching for, but that's the beauty of it, is that you get to put your own spin on it, you get to put your own style on it. So there can be 100 different sellers, but everyone has their own unique eye, their own unique taste. Sometimes it's just you see it and you're like, yes, that's it. Or sometimes it doesn't need any work, it just needs some cleaning. And then other times I'll see something and I'll be like, wow, that could be really cool if it was painted gold. Or that would be really cool if it was paired with this. At my pop-ups, basically, there's music, there's lots of super unique items, food, drinks, and it's just a lot of fun. When they walk in, they kind of feel like they're walking into a home. So I might have one section that is really heavy on the wicker, and then on another section it might be a lot of art deco and brass and things like that. So I just kind of try to create a feeling within each room. It goes way beyond a trend of like shopping vintage. It's more so people know that it's for the greater good and it's repurposing. They're shopping small, they're shopping local. It's becoming something a lot bigger than I even realized, and it's just been really fun to be a part of it. So right now you can find us on Instagram at Florence's Collection. We also do seasonal pop-ups, and we're working on a website so that you can shop us online as well.